Hi friends, welcome back to Tomato Creative Ideas and Travel Vlog.
Today we are going to make a review on Mahindra Major Jeep 2010 model. We had used this Jeep in company stock condition at earlier. We used metal leaf spring and normal tires. We felt uncomfortable when we travel in our villages and town that had not much suspension, and it was really bored when we travel. So we think on how can we increase the comfort level in this Jeep. We browsed in internet and other websites, and finally we met a company named as ARC located in Maharashtra. The company head Mr Dzire contacted us, and he said to use fiber leaf spring and gas shocks which made by ARC, that was branded items. He assured that the comfort level will be high when we use their products, and we deal their prices and other contracts. We ordered through online and paid the cash, and we received their product in time, and we were satisfied with their service. The advantages is it is very easy to set the leaf spring. We don't want to change the stock condition, remove the old and fit the new in same settings, as we say, plug and play. There is no need of any further modification or alteration. It will not bend or make any other unwanted noises as metal leaf spring. And another one change that we made, that we used radius tires. Now we feel a Jeep with a car comfort. And we use the same changes in our another vehicle, Swift Dzire. That was also fantastic. We're really satisfied with ARC product and their services, and sure you can contact with them and they'll satisfy your all needs in your vehicle.